Ever felt like your voice goes unheard? What if I told you that earning respect is a skill you can master? Today, we are unlocking the secrets to making others take you seriously. Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple English Made Easy. If you're new here, make sure to check out our other episodes. They are full of helpful tips to improve your English and your life. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like people don't take you seriously? Like your words just disappear into the air. It's not always about what you say, it's about how people see you. Respect isn't something people give you automatically. You have to earn it. And in this episode, I'll show you how. Respect is the foundation of all healthy relationships, whether personal or professional. When people respect you, they listen to you, value your opinions, and are more likely to cooperate with you. It creates a positive atmosphere where communication flows smoothly. Without respect, misunderstandings, conflicts, and resentment can arise. So, earning respect is not just about feeling good, it's essential for success and happiness in life. There are several reasons why people may not show you respect. If your words don't match your actions, people will find it hard to trust you. For example, if you promise to help someone but often back out, they may start to see you as unreliable. If you don't believe in yourself, others may not either. Body language plays a big role here. Slouching or avoiding eye contact can signal low confidence. If you don't respect those around you, they're unlikely to respect you in return. It's a two-way street. Treat others as you wish to be treated. Now let's talk about practical ways to earn respect. Be authentic. People appreciate honesty. Show your true self and don't pretend to be someone you're not. Authenticity builds trust and respect. Listen actively. When you listen to others, it shows that you value their opinions. Ask questions, nod in agreement, and respond thoughtfully. This encourages a respectful dialogue. Set boundaries. Don't be afraid to set limits. If someone crosses a line, speak up. This demonstrates that you value yourself and won't tolerate disrespect. Communicate clearly. Speak with confidence and clarity. Use a firm but friendly tone and be direct about your needs and expectations. Follow through. If you make commitments, keep them. Being reliable and consistent is key to building respect. To earn respect, there are certain behaviors you should avoid. If you constantly make excuses for your actions, people will start to lose respect for you. Own up to your mistake and show that you are willing to learn from them. Speaking negatively about others can damage your reputation. Focus on positivity and build people up instead of tearing them down. While it's important to give feedback, doing it too harshly can come across as disrespectful. Frame your criticism constructively and with kindness. Body language plays a crucial role in how others perceive you. Simple gestures like maintaining eye contact, using open and confident posture, and nodding while others speak can significantly impact how much respect you receive. For example, standing tall with your shoulders back not only projects confidence but also invites others to take you seriously. Remember, your body often speaks louder than your words. Another key aspect of earning respect is showing empathy. When you genuinely try to understand others' feelings and perspectives, you create a bond of trust. Empathy helps you connect on a deeper level, allowing people to feel valued and respected. For instance, when a colleague shares a struggle, actively listening and offering support can strengthen your relationship and build mutual respect. People appreciate when you take the time to acknowledge their feelings. How you handle criticism can also impact the respect others have for you. Instead of reacting defensively, approach criticism with an open mind. Thank the person for their feedback and consider their perspective. This shows maturity and a willingness to grow. When others see that you can accept constructive criticism gracefully, they're more likely to respect you and view you as a leader. Earning respect is a journey, not a one-time event. It takes consistent effort and time. Be patient with yourself and remember that small actions add up. Whether it's being punctual, showing kindness, or keeping your promises, each act contributes to your reputation. Over time, as people witness your dedication to respect, they will begin to reciprocate it. Respect is deeply connected to our emotions. When someone respects you, it fosters a sense of belonging and validation. This emotional connection can motivate you to perform better and strive for excellence. Think about a time when someone acknowledged your efforts or believed in your potential. That feeling of respect can be a powerful catalyst for personal growth and confidence. It's essential to create an environment where respect thrives as it nurtures relationships and encourages collaboration. Research in psychology highlights the profound impact of respect on mental health. When people feel respected, they experience lower level of anxiety and stress, which leads to a better overall well-being. According to studies, environments where mutual respect is emphasized lead to increased productivity, creativity, and job satisfaction. This means that by earning respect, you not only enhance your own life, but also contribute positively to the lives of those around you. It's important to note that the concept of respect can vary significantly across cultures. What is seen as respectful in one culture may not hold the same meaning in another. Understanding these differences is crucial, especially in diverse environments. For example, in some cultures, maintaining eye contact is a sign of confidence and respect, while in others it might be considered rude. Being aware of these cultures allows you to navigate social situations more effectively and earn respect in a way that resonates with others. Here's a challenge for you this week. Choose one of the techniques we discussed and put it into practice. Whether it's active listening or setting a boundary, notice how it changes your interactions. Reflect on how people respond to you differently when you earn their respect. Earning respect takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Remember, respect is a two-way street. When you show respect to others, you'll find it comes back to you. By being authentic, listening actively, and setting boundaries, you can cultivate a respectful environment around you. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and check out my other episodes on Simple English Made Easy. Thank you for joining me, and as always, stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode.